Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can literally look younger again, have that baby skin, have that milk skin, have that honey skin. Okay, so this I'm gonna be showing you is something. Okay guys, so you change your face, you look 5 years younger, and then you are going to be happy with your result. Okay, so if you've actually been wondering and walking around looking for a remedy that will actually make you look young, worry no more guys, because this is a good remedy that would keep you young. So this is cashew fruit. So that's what you're going to be needing, because it contains all of the ingredients that you need to get that younger skin. So I'm actually using just 2 cashew. Alright, so putting that there. So the next ingredient which we're going to be needing again is pineapple. So I'm going to be taking a little cut of this pineapple, and then I'm going to be peeling it. So the next ingredient which I'll need is apple, and I'm gonna be taking only a half cut of this apple. So after that, I'm going to be putting in a little water so I can blend this properly. Okay guys, so I'm done blending. And now I would have to be juicing it out. Okay guys, so after doing that, then my juice is ready, and now it's time to add up some good vitamin C, which is orange. All right, so that's it. Wow, now it is complete. Now I'll have to stir, and this is how it looks like. Voila! So this is my drink. This is how it is. It looks really yummy, and we're going to give it a mix, okay? Because you remember we just put in our orange, and this is how yummy this looks. It looks really nice. Yeah, okay guys, so for this particular drink, man, you are literally going to be pooping out all of those bad fats, literally, and it's also going to remove cholesterol in your body, and it's super going to actually make you look younger, and your nails, your eyelashes, the hair on your body is going to be beautiful. It's going to come out really neat. So that is what this is going to do, okay, when you're consistent in taking it. And also, if you, when you want to store it, you can actually make it and put it in your jar, in a jug, and then you store this, okay? You can store it for as long as you want, and then after that you drink it every day. So you drink this every day. You can even drink it 2 times in a day, and this is literally going to really help you a whole lot, okay? It's going to help you to look younger, look more beautiful, and look more sexy. Okay, so let me have a take of this. It's sweet. Okay, the cashew fruit in it actually makes it sweeter. So guys, go have a take of this every blessed day, every blessed morning, to have that effectiveness and glowness, shininess on your skin, and you are literally going to be healthy from the inside out. So why not go give this a go? All of the ingredients in here are natural. They are the fruits we eat, and that's it. So that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again. Bye.